This is my fight cool point. Got a cover. This is plastic. Joe, if you're watching this, I've got this one. You know it's a KC. This is plastic element. See, I don't have glass in it. Look. See, I don't have. I love it. I know I'm very man, but Joe, if I don't have glass, which is good in it. This is the system. If I do a test now, if I lift this up, let's see cover. Students of Merristood, are you happy with this? And this, if I push it like this, see, it goes. It's true. That sounds. There's a sounder in this cool point, isn't there? It goes where like that. And this one, I need to put the key. That's got a cover, and the key will just go underneath the slot like that. See the key, and I must put the key in it, like. Put the key in like that, if you see, and if I lift the cover like that, and then stick the key in it like. Don't worry, it's for my videos, and if I press it like that, like that, and it triggers that. See? Thanks for watching. Where's my little key? I'm not reading that from here, but there's my little key from here. They're my library books. Thanks for watching. Bye.